Liberal Viewer present.
So, I attended a hearing of the Sacramento Public Library Authority where they adopted an unconstitutional internet access policy that allows the government to stop you from viewing constitutionally protected material in a public library just because someone who won't stop looking over your shoulder gets offended. They adopted this policy, even though I spoke at the hearing and I told them,
"The Constitution does not permit government to decide which types of otherwise protected speech are sufficiently offensive to require protection for the unwilling listener or viewer." What the court has said over and over again is the solution is for people to avert their eyes. If you don't want to see something, you look away.
Still, I wasn't surprised the Public Library Authority adopted this unconstitutional policy. Politicians often vote in violation of their constituents' constitutional rights. What did surprise me, however, was that Councilwoman Pannell, while she was voting against folks' constitutional rights, actually made this statement.
Excuse my language, screw folks' constitutional right.
Now, even though Councilwoman Pannell later apologized for her statement, she still voted to screw folks' constitutional rights. So I was surprised when I saw absolutely no news coverage of her statement. Which leads me to ask, should at least the local media cover an elected public official both saying and voting to screw folks' constitutional rights? And, on the bigger question presented by the internet policy they adopted, should a government official really be able to stop you from viewing constitutionally protected material in a public library merely because someone who won't stop looking over your shoulder gets offended?
YouTube, you decide.